another video. So today I'm going to show you how can we change our no comments to zero comments. Sometimes you might need this option for your blog post. As you can see, I have 3 blog posts here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this no comments into a zero comments. So if I have no comments, then it will show 0 comments. If I have one comment, then it will show 1 comment. So for that actually we need to add some code on our website. So for that I'm going to use actually code snippet plugin for this. So if you want, you can download this on WordPress plugin directory. Just go here and search code snippet here. Here is the plugin. I already installed and activate my plugin. So if you don't install, if you want to change your comment, just install this code snippet plugins and activate this. So just I'm going to remove this tab. So I'm going to write some code here to change my blog no comments to 0 comments. So for that actually I'm going to write a function first of all. So if you are familiar with PHP, then you know what is function. Function WP coders club comments replacing. So I have to pass 2 parameters here, one for our output and one for our comment numbers. So one is output and one is comment numbers. So now we have to do some if else condition here for our code. So first of all, write if number is equal 0, then output should be 0 comments. Sorry. Else if number equal 1, then our comment should be 1 comment. This is our actually comment text. So this text will appear here. So in our instead of this no comments, we will show this 0 comments. So we need to know else condition. So else output equal number. We have to concatenate our number, total comments number with our text. So just make a space here and write comments. Okay, done. Just now return output variable. Okay, after that we have to actually call we have to use a filtering hook to replace our to apply our changes on WordPress default comment template. So this change will when you will actually use this code, and this just one more thing, these no comments are coming from WordPress default template comment template. So we are going to replacing our comment template code from here. So we have to use a filter hook. That hook name is comments number. Comments number and here we should have put our function name, then priority 10. If you are familiar with WordPress filter and hook, then you know what is priority. So I don't have to actually repeat this. So now save changes. Just replace here and refresh our tab. So you'll see the changes here. Okay, as you can see now our comment showing, instead of no comments, our text showing 0 comments. That means our code is working perfectly. So if you want to change your comment template, just copy this code or and install code snippet plugins, and just if you don't have this snippet activated, just click on save changes and activate it. It will activate that code and it will instantly apply on your blog post. So guys, thank you for this. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.